Yeah, you're welcome. This morning I'm going to be showing you how we take care of algae. This green stuff that develop in anywhere that is moist, where you have water and you have sunlight. This hose I got it is about a week old or 2 weeks, and it's already getting green. If you check this side, you see it's green. Look at the other side that is not having sunlight. You see it's still white. So what I'm going to do now to stop this algae from growing is to block sunlight from getting into this water hose. The hose is transparent. So when the sun comes up, it goes into the water in it and it's developing algae. So I'm using electrical tape. I'm just going to use this electrical tape to cover all the exposed parts of the hose. And that will take care of the algae. All the algae will go out. They will die by themselves. If you have a long hose, you get more electrical tape. The way I'm looking at this one, it might not be enough, but I still have some other ones inside that I'll get out and use. Now look at how neat it is. You're protecting this water hose from sunlight. It's going to make the water hose last longer, and it's going to keep the water in it clean by making sure all this algae by making sure all this algae dies off. So it's a very important thing to do, especially if you have transparent water hose and you have water in it. Water you use it every day. You must make sure algae do not develop in them. Okay, so you can leave your comments if you have ideas, better ways we can do this. Feel free to share. Let us know in the comment section. Like the video, subscribe, and most importantly, have a nice day.